Greetings, ladies and gents. Today I'm looking at Favorlite's little camping lantern and table light. So without further ado, let's take a look at some details. Favorlite is marketing this device probably mostly as a camping asset for your camping needs. It also has applications for emergency use, obviously, and it also has applications possibly for some of you restaurateurs that would like to have a little ambiance table lighting, especially for your outdoor tables. As to what's in the box, you get an instruction manual, the actual light itself, and a charging cable and a carabiner. As to materials, the light itself is made out of plastic and steel, with the upper hook being made out of chromium plated steel. On the front of the lantern we find the on-off switch and the state of charge indicators. The light has three modes of operations: full, medium, and low light, all continuously switchable from the one switch in the front as I'm doing here. Charging the light is fairly simple. The charging port is just to the left on the side of the light, as you see here. I'm using an iPhone charger. Here's a quick look at the user manual that comes with the unit. Note the carabiner is separate, and it is quite useful, as we'll see a little bit later. They've definitely made provisions to keep the unit water resistant. I wouldn't want to drop it in water, but if you're caught outside in a rain shower, you shouldn't have much problems with the unit operation. The lighting source for the lantern are surface mounted LEDs. They're located on the base of the lamp and completely shielded by the globe, which should make them water resistant for sure. By using the carabiner that's provided with the lamp, you should be able to easily use it in camping situations, such as if you wanted to have light in the area by just using the carabiner to clamp it to a low-hanging tree branch, as I have here. Since the light output's three-way adjustable, it should work just fine for an application involving just sitting on a table. This should make it perfect for those little night trips to latrine if you're camping, or again, like a restaurant application where you just want a little light lighting at your table. It also would be good for a little camping trip where you want to do a little reading and everybody else in the tent wants to get some sleep. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you found this video both interesting and useful. Definitely consider giving me a like and definitely consider subscribing. You'd be surprised what I've got coming along here pretty soon. I believe you're definitely going to want to see. So until our paths cross again, y'all take care now, and I'll see you on the next video.